Okay, good day. This is the proximity sensor for our crane. This is for the beginners only. I will share to you a limit switch of our cranes. This is a proximity. I have here the logo. Okay, brown and blue. Connect to the load. Then 110 to 220. Okay, this is only two wires. It's like a limit switch. This is normally closed. Two wires, A1 and A2. Okay, also I connect a bulb for this one parallel to the contactor. In the crane there is a contactor. Okay, to deactivate. Example, on the slewing it will stop if this one hits. Okay, show you. I need power supply. Okay, this is normally closed. If I plug this one, this contactor will activate, and including this bulb. Okay, let's try. You can see it's activated. Okay, I will remove the power supply. Okay, plug in. Okay, 220. This is 220 volts. Then remove. Okay, no power supply. Okay, no power source. And then let's try again. When I plug in, it's activated. This one, this is normally closed, and then you can see it sends the metal. Okay, how about this bolt? Okay, stainless. Okay, I'll check if that's stainless. See, stainless will not stick, but capable to detect. Small bolts. See, small bolts. This is the sensitivity. This is the sensitivity. Check the sensitivity. Small bolts. It's very accurate. Okay, but the sensitivity of this proximity we cannot change. Okay, it's fixed. And that's all. I hope this video help you in your future job.